There are three reasons why fear and greed keep taking over your trading. I'm a retired therapist turned trader, and it has nothing to do with how disciplined you are. Fear and greed are our most primal human emotions. They are what kept us alive thousands of years ago. And money is now our number one survival resource. So when we risk it in trading, our brain sees it as a life or death situation, a loss to our resources. The first reason this happens is because the brain doesn't know the difference between a $50 trading loss and a physical threat to your life. All it knows is that the bodily sensations are going to be the exact same thing. You're going to have the racing heart, tight chest, sweaty palms, and that is going to signal to the body that danger is near and to get you out of the situation as quickly as possible. The fix to this, to separate yourself, create that psychological distance and ask yourself, if this was my friend, would I tell them to take this trade? If the answer is no, your emotions have taken over and you need to get out and walk away. The second one is that scarcity is looked at as a survival threat. Okay, FOMO is a survival response, not a greed response, because missing out meant a threat to your survival. Okay, so the fix to this, whether you take the trades or not, is to track every A+ setup that happens for 1 week. This is going to train your brain that there is something beyond the trade that you've missed out on right now, and the scarcity is going to dim, and you'll be able to think more logically. All right. And the third reason is cortisol overload. When fear and greed take over, what happens is our fight or flight center turns on. It's going to turn off our logical thinking part of our brain and flood our brain with stress hormones, okay? When that happens, we're not going to be able to think logically anymore. So the fix to this is to set a 90-second timer. During that time, I want you to just practice your deep breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. When that happens, cortisol is going to drop, your logic is going to return, and you're going to be able to make logical thinking decisions again, okay? Guys, being a successful trader means learning to work with your biology, not against it. Let me know in the comments which one of these three fixes do you think will help the most.